would say with our customers, it hasn't so much because our customers are already fed straight into our own backend system, and we're tending to use Maximizer more for the prospects, although it does pull through some of that information. So all of our customers are also listed in Maximizer. And it's really useful in the sense that if a customer changes their address, before we wouldn't necessarily know that had happened. So if we pull our lists out from Maximizer, it's because it's syncing up every 2 hours, I think it is. It might even be more often than that at the minute. If the marketing team pull the list, we know that it's fed in from what's been put into the system, into the enough pages, connects back into Maximizer straight away, and they can pull an accurate list if we wanted to send something out to everybody in the post.